Climate change is like, it's something that will happen, but it's something that will, well, let's say, will be bad or good. It could be all sorts of different stuff. Hi, my name is Drew Dozer, and I'm going to talk to you about one thing, which is climate. Now I'm going to ask you a question. How does climate affect your life? Does it, like, say, if it rains, ruins your soccer game? If it snows, does it make you stop from going to work? So that is like examples of what I'm talking about. The weather can ruin your life. So, I'm going to talk to you about what would happen if there's like a climatic change to the whole state, to the whole Oregon state. I've read that in Central Oregon, there's deserts, there's canyons, and there's rivers. Now say if that sunny weather were to change to rainy weather, the rivers would flood, the deserts wouldn't be so deserty, they would have plants all over them, so yeah, it would change a lot. Now say, what would happen if it was sunny at Mount Hood, which is, it's never, and there's lots of snow. Well, if there was sun, the snow would melt at Mount Hood. The snow would then become water. The water would then go down to a river. It would flood the river, and basically flood any houses near it. So that would be a big climatic change. It would ruin lots of lives. It would go boo-hoo. Sad. Now I'm going to talk about the Willamette Valley, which is in Oregon. Willamette Valley has lots of rivers, yes. It also is an agricultural place. It has farms and stuff, and it like rains there, not a lot, but casually, so the plants can grow. Say if that rain were to stop, the plants would be dried out. Say if it rained too much, the plants would be overfed and die. So that's why, if that happened, we would be out of supplies for Oregon. That would be really bad. Bad, I'm telling you, bad. Now that is how the climate affects your life. Our city, Portland, is affected by the weather through, let's say, the plants. The plants, they grow because of the rain, because it rains here a lot. Say if that climate were to change, like, say, if there was no rain in the summer, fall, the spring, the winter, well, our plants, since they're not used to really hot weather or not having no rain at all, they won't be prepared for it, so most likely they'll all die off. That and our life would be affected too. Hi, my name is Drew Dozer, and that's my portfolio item about the climate.
It's your aha moment.
Woohoo!